Okay, so I think I'm about done, and I want to show you everything that I did here. And I know it looks like just, a pile of mush. And so what's important is just that you do your best and see how many things you can separate. And I really just want you to get the sense for how distinct the muscles are and how they're held together and things like that. So here is the latissimus dorsi. Okay, so the arm was here. Okay, so I've removed the arm. Here's the latissimus dorsi. I've separated a little more of that so I could reflect this whole thing back. And now we can see these muscles that are deep to it. Now we already cut through the chest cavity. So these are the ribs. Okay, there's the heart. Mine's still in there. Heart and the lungs. And along the ribs are on the outside of the intercostal muscles, are the edges here of the external abdominal obliques. Okay, just like on you, this high chest area is where the abdominal obliques intersperse with. On you, it's called the serratus anterior. Now on the mink, it's called the Serratus Ventralis, meaning ventral side. And there it is. Sorry. Here's what I did. I cut it off. I didn't realize I had cut the whole thing off. So there it is. That's part of the Serratus Ventralis. Whoops. Sorry. Remember that you also have a serratus posterior, superior, and inferior. We're not going to do the inferior, but if you look here, you can see these areas of muscle there with those little lines between them. Those are the serratus dorsalis, which is the dorsal side. Okay, so the ventralis came around here. The dorsalis is on the back. Okay, and then the only other muscle that I've gotten to really clear that I forgot to mention is this one up here by the head. Okay, we have all these rhomboids, these thin rhomboids, and then deep to the clavotrapezius is this one here, which is called the splenius. And on the humans, this is actually two different muscles. We have a splenius capitis and a splenius cervicis. And the mink just has the one splenius. Okay, so that's going to be enough. That's what we'll do for our dissection. If you want to do some more, you are absolutely welcome to it. Notice that the foam came out of my mink's mouth, so you can see its mouth, those really cool predator teeth, that's what I'm looking for, and the cool conky inside the nose. Look at those things, that's amazing. And if you want to cut along the mouth here, so you can see, cut this way, where you can see where the throat is. You can see the esophagus and the trachea there. That muscle right there, that's the masseter muscle. Okay, and you'll also be able to see some of the salivary glands if you want. And then you can also, I've never done it on a mink, so I don't know how hard it is, but if you want to take this muscle off, this is the temporalis, then cut around here, you could probably expose the brain. You can do that if you want to. And that's it.